A shipping container measures 8 feet by 12 feet by 24 feet, and the container is to be filled with identical cube-shaped boxes, each having sides measuring a whole number of feet. Which of the following expressions represents the smallest number of such identical boxes that could be packed into the container with no empty space remaining? All right, let's draw a picture of what they're describing. We have a shipping container. So this is like a long rectangular box. Okay, so something like that. And we're going to say it is 8 feet by 12 feet by 24 feet. If I want to pack this shipping container full of boxes, boxes that are perfect cubes, so they have the same length, width, and height, right? So this would be like X by X by X. Length times width times height, all the same. Okay, so I could do cubes that are 1 by 1 by 1, like 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot. I could fit those in here, and I could do 8 high, I could do 12 across and 24 back, right? So I could fit um, 8 by 12 by 24 boxes in here. That's a lot of boxes. But they want the smallest number of such identical boxes. Could I put boxes that were 2 by 2 by 2 feet in here? So if they were all 2 feet on all sides, I could stack them 4 high, I could stack them 6 across, and 12 back, right? So I could put 2 by 2 by 2 boxes in here, and I would have 4 by 6 by 12 would be the number of boxes I could fit in here. But if I use a bigger box, I will fit fewer boxes, and we want the smallest number of boxes. So I want the largest possible cube to have the fewest number of boxes. Okay, so I could do 1 by 1 by 1. I could do 2 by 2 by 2. Could I do 3 by 3 by 3? No, because I wouldn't use all my space here, right? Because I want to pack the container with no empty space remaining. So if this was 3 by 3 by 3, I could only stack 2 boxes high and I'd have 2 feet remaining here. Can I do 4 by 4 by 4? So yes, if I did 4 by 4 by 4, I could stack my boxes 2 high, 3 across, and 6 deep. Okay, so I could definitely do that for 4 by 4 by 4. Um, could I do 5 by 5 by 5? No, because 5 isn't a factor of any of these numbers. How about 6 by 6 by 6? It's a factor of 24 and 12, but not 8. 7 by 7 by 7? No, because it doesn't divide any of these. 8 by 8 by 8? No, because 8 is not a factor of 12, right? I could do 1 box high and I could do 3 boxes deep here, but I can't fit 2 boxes in the 12 feet. Um, so once I get past 8, I'm not going to bother checking because I can't fit the box in the container. So 4 by 4 by 4 was the largest box I can fit. And then how many of them can I fit? Well, I can stack them 2 high and 3 across and 6 deep. So that would be 2 by 3 by 6. That's how many boxes I can fit. And which of these answers says that? 2 by 3 by 6. That's answer choice A. They just didn't do the division. The 8 divided by 4, that gave me the 2. 12 divided by 4 gave me 3 boxes across, and 24 divided by 4 gave me 6 boxes deep.